just a quick little extra video. I'll do it as quick as I can so I'm not as boring as normal. I've got a bracket here, simple fixed flat bracket. Going to attach it to this TV for a flat wall mount on that wall up there. This is not in its packaging because I've used it before, but basically you get a plate that's attached to the wall, two arms that attach to the TV. When you've got the arms on the TV, they will just simply hook on there like so, and then you've got two bolts underneath that you can wind up as well to secure it and stop you taking the arms off. I've picked M8 by 15mm for this TV because that's what's sufficient. So depending on the TV, they may require different bolts. You can just do trial and error to find the correct ones, or you can refer to the quick setup guide and it will tell you. Okay, so we basically put the arm on there, pick the holes where we want them. I go somewhere in the middle because then I can move the arm up or down to adjust the height of the TV on the wall without having to re-drill the wall. So I'm just going to wind that bolt in loosely there, and the one underneath as well. What I do have is a top tip. You can see I have not tightened the bolts up, and that arm's got a few mil of slack either way. So if I just pull the arm up, quick wind there to nip it up. And if I do the same on both arms, it's going to ensure if I put the plate on the wall level, the TV remains level. And also it can't slide down any further on that arm. Same for this side. Just winding them on. I've got a washer on as well, I should point out. So simple little washer on the bolt, just for good practice. So again, that slack there. I just hold the arm up, nip that up like so. And that's that. So they should be nice and solid. If they're wobbling, the bolt's probably too long, so you can use more washers to pack the bolt out or put a shorter bolt on. Bracket or plate, this is going to be on the wall, so I'm just going to put it on the back of the TV for now so I can get some dimensions there. If I put a tape measure to the top of the TV, measure down to the top of the bracket, I've got 32 centimetres or 320mm. If I mark where I want the top of the TV on the wall, measure down 32 centimetres to the top of my bracket, it'll be where I've planned it to be. Oh God, I've mounted many TVs here before, so there's holes all over. It's like a colander, but that is marked for the top of the TV. So if I measure down 32 centimetres, 32 centimetres to the top of my bracket. So I've got a little mark there. If it shows up, that's the top of my bracket. Another good tip, whatever bracket you use, put a spirit level on the top like so and just level it up. Even if it's got a spirit level built in on the bracket, don't trust it because they're very hit and miss. So I'm just going to mark where the slots are for my wood screws to go in, because I've got a wood wall here. So this wall's chipboard and MDF, all that stuff with studs behind it. If you've got a brick wall, use the appropriate fixings. I usually use concrete screws, so you drill a pilot hole, screw them straight into the blockwork. I use them for dot and dab walls as well, dot and dab plasterboard walls, because they fix, there's no plug, you can't pull it away from it and they're solid. Ooh. Because I'm mounting to a wood wall, just going to do a quick pilot drill there so my wood screws can go in without splitting anything. Right, so pilot hole's drilled. Now I'm going to just wind the screws in a touch. Okay, so I've just nipped that screw gently. You can see I've still got movement on the bracket. So I can wind another screw in, partly. Put my level on the top and just level it up. And I'm just going to nip that screw up there. And then I can just wind the other screw straight in. For the concerns of safety and you've got an expensive item, I'd suggest you lift it on with two people, so you've got one end each and you can look down the sides, check your bracket hooks on safely. But I'm billing no mates here on my own, so So I'm just going to hook it on myself, and I've done it loads of times. Also, if I drop it, I'm going to have to pay for it. Okay, one other bit of advice is when you've got your hand under it, I put one hand, all the pressure is on my hand there, and I'm not pressing on the screen. And I start off above the bracket and just slide it down, and that feels like it's on it. And one thing I can do to check is just give it a quick slide side to side and check I'm on safely. Peel off the screen protector and say peely peely.